What's going on, guys? We are here back in beautiful Pennsylvania. As you can see, I'm here today and I am at a special location. We are here at the Valley Plantation. Now, we're just here for the history. We're here to see what the buildings are like. Never been here before. And we're just here to, have a good time, relax, and, see the scenery. So we're gonna get into this. But before we do, let me read you guys some history before we enter this location. So the Burnside Plantation is a plantation that was created in the 1800s, of course, and it was founded in 1990 as a historic site. So it is historic indeed, and it is along Bethlem. And as you can see today, we're going to go through it. Got a lot of old buildings, got a lot of old trails, got a lot of stuff to explore. So we're going to get into this. Hopefully it's cool. I'm not sure if I can film in here. I'm going to ask though, and if not, then I'll catch you guys in the next area. But with that said, we're going to get into this and we're going to see how this is. Guys, I am here in the beautiful garden. There's lots of flowers, lots of plants, lots of good stuff, lots of bugs near me. But yeah, I am not the biggest fan of hornets and bees, so but it is really beautiful. Very hot out. I'm already sweating, but we're gonna continue on anyway. We're gonna continue exploring. As you can see, once again, beautiful gardens. I'm gonna go back to the house, get some cinematic shots of that, and then we are gonna head to the trail where the shade is. So I think that's a good idea. And with that said, I'm gonna see you guys in the next spot. Found this super cool abandoned railroad track. I don't know if I'm able to follow it, but I might follow it just to see where it goes. I'm hoping there's nothing crazy over there because I'm kind of a little sussed out. I'm deep in the woods here, so I don't want to get freaking mauled by a bear, like I said, or something. Not that there will be any bears here, but I'm trying to be careful here because I don't want to do something illegal and I don't want to get caught from some animal or something. So we're gonna go along this, but we're gonna be careful doing it. So hopefully you guys enjoy these cinematic shots. I'm enjoying it so far, and yeah, let me get some more for you guys. Hopefully you guys are enjoying. I'm not sure if I want to continue because I think someone might be living around here. There is a box with stuff in it and a bag on top and some mattresses and stuff. I think there might be a homeless person living up ahead, so I might not want to go that way. I can show you guys real quick, but I think I'm gonna turn around because I don't know how people are down here and I don't want to take any chances. As you can see, there is a box with a bag on it, and way down there's a mattress and whatnot. So I don't think I'm gonna continue this path, unfortunately, but we could at least say we tried. But I don't think it'd be a good idea to do that alone. And I'm just seeing a bunch of red flags around here. There's a sleeping bag that's abandoned right here behind me, and yeah, I just don't want to take any chances. So we're gonna not take that path right now. It is a cool path, don't get me wrong. I really love that there is an abandoned train track set. It's really, really cool, don't get me wrong, but once again, I don't want to take any chances. So we're not going to go down that way. We're going to go some other route for now. And yeah, I'll catch you guys when we get there. Alright guys, there's definitely homeless people living here. I'm kind of getting more and more sussed out. You can hear the highway. I'm not like too far off, but I am in the woods right now. And there is what used to be a fire there. And also, if you come down here and you take a look down here, hold on, there's some perfectly chopped firewood right down in there. So it's kind of weird to me, but I'm gonna keep going anyway. Hopefully nothing bad happens to me, but if it does, it'll all be recorded here, so hopefully they can get my camera and post the footage if that's the case. But I'm gonna stick with my faith here, and we're gonna keep going because it's just so gorgeous. Have reached the end, my boys and girls. We have reached the end. As you can hear from these cars, I gotta be a little loud because, you know, we're right next to the road. This is where it spit us out at. I'm sorry I didn't get too much of the plantation itself. There were people setting up for a blueberry parade or festival, and so I didn't really want to get most of that in the shot because there was just a bunch of tents everywhere. Didn't really fit with the kind of shots that I'm trying to get. So we came out over here. I don't really know where I am or if I can walk back. I don't really want to walk through the woods again. I think I could walk just on the sidewalk and end up back to my car, but it might be a little ways away. We can do it. Might as well, I guess. Walking downtown. Let's see if we can find anything cool. It's a little loud because, you know, there's just people everywhere. Not sure if I could use these railroads. I might be able to. Let's try going on these railroads. Maybe, I hope I don't get killed, but I'm gonna walk along the railroad. I don't even know if you're allowed to walk along the railroad. Yeah guys, new update. I look exhausted. It's really hot out, but we are along the railroad, almost back to the car. As you can see, I passed by this cool facility. Someone came out, but they didn't really care. They just kind of drove past me. I think they probably thought I was homeless. Oh, look at that. Hold on. I found something. Oh. Look at that. Another one. Super cool, super dope. But yeah, we're on here. And we're almost back to the car, so we're gonna get over there and then we're gonna head out to our next location, like I said. All right guys, so we are back at the car finally, and I got some goods from the railroad that I'm gonna be keeping as some keepsakes. And I don't know what these parts are, but I picked them up because they're whole and look old. So I got this part right here. I don't really know what this is. If anybody knows what this is or any of these parts are, please, please, please leave a comment below explaining what they are, because I'm not a train expert. I also got this. It looks like an old hitch off of one of the trains, but again, I don't really know for sure. I found this first, so I kept it, I guess. It's kind of scratched up at the front, but you can see it's a bolt. So I'm gonna keep all these, and we're gonna head to our next location. Check this out, guys. Look, I'm under this awesome ass bridge. Look at it. It's humongous, and we're heading to a place called the Flying 5 or the Flying V, one of the two. And we're gonna head there now. I'm in my car, as you can hear. Let me turn down the music. No copyright. We're gonna head to a place called the Flying V or the Flying 5, however you want to call it. They specialize in poutine and all that other good stuff, so we're gonna go there right now. I'm not supposed to be parking here, so I'm wrapping it up real quick, but I just wanted to show off this cool ass bridge. As you can see, it was super cool to be under. So we're gonna go now, and we're gonna meet you at Flying 5. All right, guys, so we're here. We're finally at the Flying V. As you can see behind me, check it out. That's where we're going. So we're gonna get in there, and I'll see you guys in. All right, so as you can see, we got some options here. I think I'm going with the smoked meat because, you know, smoked meat. And then I don't really like vegetables that much, so I might go with, just like I said, jalapenos. I think that'll be good. And I don't really like sauce, so I'll go with cheese. But hopefully nobody sins with me because I don't put gravy. But I'm not really a gravy guy, so yeah. And then you got all this other stuff. You got breakfast poutine, buffalo poutine, CBR poutine, bacon poutine, taco poutine, and the veggie. You also got Canadian cowboy burgers, the flat iron. May the Schwartz be with you. So yeah, we're gonna make our own today, and I will see you guys when we do that. We get this special card that it says right here. I don't know if it's gonna focus. Focus. It won't focus, but it says basically that you buy 9 poutines and get the 10th one for free. So you punch out this card. As you can see, I have 2 holes, and once you fill it out, you're able to get yourself a free poutine. So we'll see how that goes. Don't really know, but it looks pretty cool, so we'll see. We're gonna dig right in. We're just waiting for our drink. We got the drink of the day, the mango chili lemonade. So hopefully it's delicious. Hopefully she doesn't do me dirty, but she seems like a nice person. Beautiful service, wonderful service. And yeah, we're just gonna wait for our drink now, so I'll touch base. Oh, there it is. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
All right, we got it. No, this should be it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Wonderful service, wonderful service. So yeah, this is the drink, guys. Pretty nice, pretty refreshing looking. Let's get a nice, good bite of this. We got some cheese curd, we got some sauce, we got some fries, jalapeno. Get a little bit of everything in there. There we go. Maybe a little more, actually. But yeah, nice bite. That is solid. That's very good. The fries are still crispy. Even though they have sauce on them, they're still crispy. It's nice, it's beautiful. The barbecue really complements the meat. We got some smoked meat on there. Then we got the cheese, which comes in very beautifully. Not too runny, not too firm, very nice. And the jalapeno gives you that little kick. It's very delicious, still crispy, and I can definitely go in for seconds, man. This is delicious, so I'm gonna keep going in at this. We're gonna take another bite right here. Wow. Wow. That is very interesting. So, the lemonade, it looks very plain, but it tastes super fruity. And the problem is, though, well, it's not really a problem, but the catch is, right? You think it's really refreshing and it's really delicious, and then wham! You just get this freaking beautiful, beautiful spicy taste, spicy aftertaste. Just hits your tongue, coats your throat. It's not for everybody, but for one, I love spice, so this is just beautiful, and it complements this very beautifully. So it's very delicious, like I said. I'm gonna keep eating away at this because this is very good. But yeah. Alright guys, so that was Flying V's, as you can see. Beautiful, 5 stars, all the way. Gotta rate it 5 stars. It's amazing, love it. If you haven't come here, you gotta come here today. If you want some good Canadian poutine, you come here, get some Flying V's. It's amazing, service is amazing, and everybody in there is wonderful. So, I'll see you guys in the next stop at the Steam Stacks. We'll continue from there. gentlemen, I'm here at the beautiful steam stacks. As you can see, we're ready. We're here. I don't know what's here, but I never been here in the first place, so I don't know what's gonna go on. I think they're having a concert of some sort because I see a stage that way. I don't know if you can see it right there, that stage. Not too sure what they're doing there, but we're gonna walk in there, see what happens. I guess you just walk around, get some photos. So I'm gonna see if I can get some cool cinematics for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy. With that said, I'll see you guys in the next stop. Alright guys, so we're here. We are at the end of the steam stacks, and as you can see way back there, there's some trains. Those trains actually, believe it or not, came through these tracks. They came through these tracks, so you know, it's pretty cool to be right by that. And right here it tells us some of the history. In the #2 machine shop built in 1990, this was one of the largest industrial buildings in the world, stretching for nearly a third of a mile. Workers in the shop milled and drilled Bethlem steel into finished products and our parts, including weapons, ammunition, and ships. So back in the day, for World War II times, they used to always build the freaking tanks and the artillery cannons and all this good stuff, the airships, everything. So it's pretty cool to learn some of that history. And it's really cool to just take in this beautiful view. Look at this behind me. It's massive. It's freaking amazing. How many people can say they've been next to a steam stack or an old steel mill that used to make tank parts? Pretty crazy. In fact, is that they used to actually transfer a lot of goods and valuables from here, and they used to export them throughout the whole entire state. I don't really know exactly what they exported, but it was always valuables, goods, and like I said, war parts for weaponry like tanks, aircraft weaponry, and whatnot. And it's just a really cool place to take in all of this beautiful history and actually learn about the past, which a lot of people don't know about now. So it's really cool to take this in. As you can see, look, there's a train right here. It's really cool, a lot of old trains. Before I leave this place, my great-grandfather actually used to work here, and he actually also fought in World War II. So it's pretty cool to see that and to really get connected with what one of my family members used to do, what my ancestors used to be connected with. It's really cool to see it again and just take it in, and like I said, learn the history. So it's pretty cool to see that, and you know, on my end, family wise, it's really awesome. So I'll catch you guys when we get to the car.